आपको बता दें कि अमित शाह का सिर काटकर टेबल पर रख देने के बयान को लेकर महुआ मित्रा के खिलाफ छत्तीसगढ़ में मामला दर्ज कराया गया था। विवाद बढ़ने के बाद महुआ मित्रा की पहली प्रतिक्रिया आई है। उन्होंने इस पर अपनी सफाई भी दी है। उन्होंने आरोप लगाया है कि शब्दों को गलत तरीके से पेश किया गया है।
Do you remember one thing? SP Raipur, this is for you. Please do me a favor. Call your colleague, Y. Anant Kumar, SP Kondagaon. On the 12th of July, he illegally picked up 12 migrant workers from Kondagaon, Bengali workers from my constituency, booked them under section 128, falsely filed an FIR, booked them, beat them, arrested them, did not produce them in court, kept them illegally detained. Released them only on 14 July. I went to the Chhattisgarh High Court, which issued notice to you. Now, with your tail between your legs, another idiom, tail between your legs after getting a slap in the face, your colleague, Y. Anant Kumar in Kondagaon has taken his FIR and withdrawn it. You have withdrawn the case. Similarly, you have filed a fake case against me. The FIR says, Mahua Moitra ne kaha, gala kaat diya. I said matha kete tebile, that's a lot different from gala kaat diya. When you use Google Translate from Bengali to English and English to Hindi to file fake FIRs, this is what happens. This is what happens. What does section 196 and section 197 of the BNS state? It's promoting enmity between groups and grounds of religion, making imputations that are prejudice to national integration. How is Amit Shah taking responsibility prejudicial to national integration? Are you done with filing of fake FIRs? I'm going to go to the court again, it will be another slap in the face, and then more heads will roll. So really, every time you do this stupidity of making a heroine out of me. You did this before, you expelled me from parliament, I won and came back. Every time you do this to me, politically it gets you nowhere, it makes me into Joan of Arc. Haven't you learnt your lesson? Haven't you learnt your lesson? Let me be, because every time you try and fight me, you lose and I win and I come out stronger. So take your FIRs and keep it where the sun doesn't shine, and hopefully, hopefully you get better sense soon. Thank you.